He was also a part of the 100-meter relay team that won gold not only in the CBSE clusters but also the school Olympic program. Kevin is also a professional basketball player. He represents Al Rayyan Club in the Qatar Basketball League. So put your hands to welcome Cavalier Kevin Sejoy, son of Toastmaster Sejoy Rafael and Dr. Shiji Jose, to deliver his speech titled Waterworld.
After the melting of the polar ice caps, most of the globe is underwater. Most of the inhabitants perished, but some humans adapted and survived to their new water world. Toastmaster of the day, fellow Cavaliers, distinguished guests, a warm good evening to you all.
Good evening.
What I just mentioned was a synopsis of the blockbuster movie Waterworld, which was released in 1995. Interestingly, it was directed by Kevin Reynolds and acted by Kevin Costner. But today, you're going to hear the story of Kevin Sejoy in his own water world. Swimming is a confusing sport because sometimes you do it for fun and other times you do it not to die. This is a quote by Demetri Martin, a famous stand-up comedian. When I was a toddler, I was scared to put my head in the water. But my mom was very determined. So she bought a coach. And like that, I started swimming at the age of 5. I was very scared of the deep end. Sometimes my coach would take me there and I would get out of the pool as fast as I can and run to my mom saying, "Mom, I want to go home." And of course, she wouldn't let me go home and just throw me back into the pool. That's how I learned swimming for the next 2 years. But I was not passionate about swimming. And as you know, parents have more ambition about us than we do. As years went by, something changed. When I was in 5th grade, there were tryouts for the school swimming team. I went for it and I was shocked to find my name in the list of the selected students. And then a thought came to my mind. Hey, you're good at swimming. From then on, I started learning competitive swimming. Every year, there are 2 competitions, the CBSE clusters and the SOP. First up were the CBSE clusters. I was participating in 2 team events in the under 14 category. But I was only 9 years then. So our team events got bronzes. And later that year, we got a bronze as well for the SOP. 3 bronze for the first year. Not bad, right? But that gave me a shot in the arm. And the quest for bagging a gold became deep rooted in my mind. Last year, we got a gold for the team event. I was really excited. I was happy. We can represent Qatar in the nationals in India. But at the last moment, 2 of my team members pulled out. I was really disappointed. But that disappointment turned as a fuel to drive my dream. So then I knew that only if I get a goal in the individual event, I will be able to represent Qatar in the nationals so that no one is in my way. So for the next year, I practiced really hard. The CBSE clusters were just 1 month ago and I was participating in 5 events in the under 14 category. First up was the 100-meter butterfly. I was swimming butterfly for the first time in a competition. I had just practiced butterfly for the past 1 year. When I got out of the starting block, I was really nervous. And then the coach, ready, get set, go. The whistle blew. I jumped in. I swam as fast as I can. And at the halfway mark, I noticed that one of my teammates had a pretty good lead on me. And then a spark came to my mind. Only if you win this competition, you can represent Qatar. You represent your school at the nationals. With renewed vigor, I swam as fast as I can until me and my opponent were neck to neck. And all with my remaining strength in the last 5 meters, I swam, I touched, I turned back, and I realized I got a gold. Finally, after all those years of losses and after all those years of hard work, I finally got a gold. All those were rewarding. When you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you achieve it. This is a quote by Paulo Coelho, a famous writer. This was written in his famous book, The Alchemist. Everyone has a dream, and nothing can be worse than suppressing our dream. We have to follow our dream with our whole heart. It's the power of your conviction that makes it happen. The only one thing that stands in a way that makes your dream impossible to achieve is the fear of failure. My idol Michael Phelps once said, "You can't put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the farther you get." And here I am, winning 13 medals as of now. 4 golds, 4 silvers, and 5 bronzes. I'm looking forward to more. Over to the governor.
That was again a very motivational speech.